Selector, run the track. Thanksgiving. Yes, sir.
Welcome to another episode of Tales from Yard. Guys, I really love the fact that everybody has been liking our videos so far. Today we are featuring my mom and of course Jahalia as they put together another awesome dish. Hey, stay tuned for Tales from Yard.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a pepper pot soup.
Yes.
I'm just making my dumpling. Okay guys, the dumpling is in. Now I'm going to put in my callaloo. I'm going to put my callaloo in.
Why the callaloo look so?
Because the callaloo is pre-cooked.
Oh, it's pre-cooked
Yes,
callaloo?
yes, pre-cooked. And I'm going to add in some coconut milk. adding in some coconut milk. Yes. Next, I'm putting in my seasoning. This is some oregano leaves. And this is my thyme. And my green pepper. We cannot do without the pepper because remember it is pepper pot soup. Yes. And I'm putting in some garlic. And scallion. I'm also going to be putting in some berries. Pimento berry. Yes. A little salt.
It smells really good.
Yes, a little salt. Not too salty. And a little black pepper. So everything in there now. So it's going to be, I'm going to leave it to cook and simmer down. And you can just imagine how tasty this will be when it is completed. Sorry, non-pork eaters, sorry, because we have the corn pork and the ham bone. Okay, as you can see, the soup is ready. All nice and ready to eat. And I'm dishing myself a plate. See? This is all nice and ready to eat. How can I not put one of the favorite corn dumpling in there?
That's the rain.
Okay guys, so I am going to, wow. This is so beautiful. So I'm going to be tasting this lovely soup. Wow. Wow, this is so delicious, guys. This is so delicious. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Next time on Backyard. Bye.
So there you have it, guys, my mom's famous pepper pot soup. And let me tell you a little bit about this soup. It is traditionally done with coconut milk and some type of greens is put inside of it. It's like callaloo or kale if you want to update it a little bit, you know, but most Jamaicans use callaloo, and our version of callaloo is different from the Trini version of callaloo. And of course it is also done with some type of salt meat, some type of pig's tail, salt beef, some type of salt meat. The reason behind that is because the soup was one of those soups that you made just because you want to preserve, you want to use up those preserved meats and vegetables that you have in the house. My mom did an excellent job. I can't wait to go home and taste my mom's cooking. Tales from Yard is all about family. It's all about reconnecting. Even though we may be far away, we are still connected. And so I thank you guys for watching. And check out all the other Tales from Yard. Yes, I have my cousin Randall Positive doing his favorite lobster. My sister doing her favorite stew peas. My mom, as usual, you know, she's the star of the show, doing all her different dishes. And so I'm trying to get my brothers involved, I'm trying to get my sisters involved and my cousins involved. Everybody that is connected to Yardie Belly TV, I'm trying to get them involved as we do more and more Tales from Yard. So guys, thank you for watching once again. Look on the soup. The soup look nice, man. Trust me, it just makes me want to be home. And the rain in the background, wow. Can you believe it? All that rain falling and you drink some soup and then you go sleep. Woo! I tell you the truth, can't wait. Guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And mommy says Backyard, but it's Tales from Yard. Hey, maybe we can call it Backyard when we get home. Big up on yourself, Yardie Belly TV. And remember, live and laugh, cook or eat after